Put all the snow that we have.
Yeah. Oh, what is it? Oh, a snow tube? Oh, we open it later. Go ahead, open another one.
Here, put it over here. Open this one.
Whoa!
Mom, that drink is not going to last long.
Oh, new jammies? What's on those jammies? What do you see on those jammies? Froggies? Alright, next present.
Go open it. Right.
Yes, that's a baby.
Okay, open it. Come on, open it.
Ooh. Oh, what is it? Who's on there? Who's on there?
What?
Really?
What's the big one?
You're goofy. Help, it says.
Here, here. Open it.
Is it ever coming?
Oh, what's that?
Ooh.
No, look what that is. Look.
Look at
Carly, look. It's a Minnie Mouse dress. Just like Minnie Mouse. How so pretty. And look at this one. Another Minnie Mouse dress.
I don't think you're done yet.
So pretty.
I don't think you're done yet. I think you
You have one more. You have one more.
Charlie.
Oh. That's it. Yay!